I'm backing up small. I'm showing the car. See the pedestrians popping up and popping out? So I'm scanning. I want to be middle right. Taking my time. People are here. I'm going slow. I don't know what the pedestrian's doing, but I'm going slow. I'm covering my brake. I'm actually at about 7 miles an hour. And I'm just looking and scanning. And I'm gonna come up and stop. This is the stop line, 1001, 1002, 1003. I'm gonna make it right, but I need to move forward. If I turn now, I'm gonna hit and catch the corner, and that's the short turn. Now I'm gonna turn hand over hand. Now I'm gonna go up to the stop sign. I'm gonna maneuver again and make a right turn. My blinker's on, I look left, I look right, I look left again. I wanna come up and stop for 3 seconds. Then I'm gonna move forward and I'm gonna turn hand over hand in, and I'm gonna turn out, hand over hand. Let's work on our parallel parking again. I'm gonna pull up next to this white van, and then I'm gonna parallel park. I'm gonna model it so you know that I'm serious and I'm fundamentally sound. I'm gonna roll straight back. When I'm halfway past the vehicle, I turn my wheels all the way to the right. Do it in sections. I'm going in at a 45 angle. Now I turn back and I turn it all the way to the left. Whoa, you gotta be careful here. So I made that stop. I'm less than a foot away from the curb, and then I'm gonna move forward, and I want to model this again. Collisions do happen in this area, so you wanna make sure your car's in properly at a 45 angle. You want to take your time. So I'm waiting for these cars. I'm not sure what they are doing. And then I'm gonna model another parallel park. So I'm gonna go out really easy, and I wanna be closer to the white van, but not too close. Okay, car straight. I'm in reverse. I look out of my back window. I'm looking over my right shoulder. When I'm halfway past the van, I turn the wheel all the way to the right. And then when I'm halfway past, I turn it all the way to the left. You see me turning the wheel, and I'm checking. You can see the reflection.